All right, want to give you this review of this awesome, fun toy vacuum. It does turn on, but I turned it off, and because it is loud. But it is fun. It makes noises. It has little things that jumble up and down. But it's a fun little make-believe vacuum for your kids. This has been in our family for about 5 years now, and all of our kids still play with it. So, highly recommend this. I do wish it was in a different color, but it's blippy color, so I guess all of my kids like it. So, check it out.